Fun with Elijah Alien. Subscribe! Ta-da!
Ta-da! Did he say car collection? He meant Hot Wheel collection. You gonna show them your Hot Wheels? Hot Wheels. Good job, Lottie.
Show them my Hot Wheels. No!
So those are your two favorite Hot Wheels, Eli?
Red is pretty. And I like red because it makes purple. Purple?
You didn't turn on the gorilla.
Oh. I didn't turn on the gorilla.
Oh, well, you turned it on right here.
Oh.
Don't forget. It's going up.
Wait, let me get on
The car's going right here. I think this will work. Let's see.
Oh! Whoa! Ow. I'm going to try to go. Ah!
All right, so when y'all race, anything that's big, like the school bus right there, has to go on this side. Cause
Off the track.
when in the inner track, if it goes through the inner track, it's gonna get stuck right there. So you have to make sure it's on the outer track, okay, Elijah?
Okay.
If in the inner track, it gets stuck. So like your car, it can go on the inner track,
All
but
right,
the
so-
school bus can't.
Elijah, you have to start yours right here. Round one. So the first round we have Elijah versus Elliot.
Elijah's in the left in the gray Lambo, and Elliot is in the orange convertible. We don't know what that is. It's a concept car. But they are on the race. Y'all ready? Lottie,
See,
you think you're gonna win, Lottie? Are you thinking to win? Are you thinking you're gonna win, Elijah?
all right.
Who you think is gonna win, Mama?
I think I'm gonna put my bet on the gray Lamborghini.
Okay, I'm going with Lottie, the orange
All
one.
right. So
All right, ready?
I'm with Elijah.
Countdown. 3, 2, 1,
go!
Lottie, we winning! Lottie, we winning! Lottie, we winning! Ah, yes! Yes! We won, Lottie. Give me 5. Round 2 for the
Round
race.
2.
We got Elijah and Elliot again. They switched lane this time. Elijah is in the chrome car, and Elliot is in the purple Lamborghini Euros. Who do you have your money on, Mama?
I'm going to say that the orange Lamborghini is going to win. Who has the orange?
Lottie. Who do you think is gonna win, Elijah?
Me!
Oh, I got my money on the chrome car.
All right.
Go ahead,
Ready, set, go!
Go! Oh, we winning. Oh. Elijah, we won! Good job.
Now it's Mama versus Dada.
My first car is gonna be 1988 Honda CRX. That's why I'm going down first, guys. What you got, Mama?
Mine is a 91 Mazda Miata.
Let me see it.
Blue color. Everybody put your bet on blue color.
The Miata versus the Honda. Going down the race.
Who
My
do
mon-
you think will win, Lottie?
obviously I'm gonna win. Mine's red.
What color, Lottie? Red or blue? Lottie says red. So
All right.
Elijah's with me. And Lottie's with Dada. Are you ready?
Ready.
Elijah says he wants blue to win.
Blue, Elijah.
Uh-huh.
And
What about you, Lottie?
wants
Red?
Red is for Dada. They're gonna lose.
Let's see. Let's see. Alrighty. Y'all see the cars, guys? Y'all ready? 3,
1,
2, 1, go! No! Alright, guys. So this time we have Elijah versus Elliot. We have Elijah. What color is yours? Which was yours?
This one.
The color shift. It's white and orange. And Lottie has the white BMW. Let me get y'all close up, guys. Let me get y'all close up so y'all can get your monies out. They go to cars. Alrighty. So who you got your money on, Mama?
I'm gonna go with the white BMW.
I'm going with Elijah. I'm going with the color shift car just because my favorite color is orange. All right, guys. Y'all ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Ah! No! All right, guys. So pick your cars. Come on. Lottie, get your truck. All right, guys. So next we have our next race: Elijah versus Elliot. Elijah is in this blue, nice muscle car, and Lottie is in the sushi truck. Don't ask, please do not ask. Lottie just wants to race the sushi truck. Right, Lottie?
Say sushi.
Who you got your money on, Mama?
I'm gonna go with the sushi truck. You never know. You never know.
No, the sushi truck.
I'm going with the muscle car, Elijah. Give me 5. Oh, we're gonna win this. We're gonna win this.
Are y'all ready?
Y'all ready? Look at the guys. Y'all see it? Alrighty. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Oh no! The sushi truck. The sushi truck.
Keep going again. Keep going.
The sushi truck tried to cheat, and it still flipped. All right, guys. So just want to let y'all know, some of these trucks cannot fit on this track. That was just a demonstration, and this is what happens every single time. Look, you see it? It gets stuck. It either gets stuck or it flips off. Final race, me and Mama.
Versus Dada.
Here go my car, Elijah.
Ultimate. This is Mommy's favorite car versus Daddy's favorite car. Final race.
Set them up. Set them up. We have a
Mama's
purple
favorite car.
Porsche. We have a purple Porsche 911 GT3 RS versus a yellow S2000 that's gonna win. That sounded like a helicopter. They didn't even sound like a car.
All right.
All right, guys. So we picked our lane. Elijah picked for us, so we didn't even.
Who do you think's gonna win, Lottie? Purple or yellow?
Mama.
Purple! Elijah's going with purple! How about you, Elijah?
Yellow.
Oh!
We're gonna win.
Y'all ready, guys? Let's count. 3, 2,
2,
1, go!
Go, 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 go.
No!
And the winner is Mama!
No!
We won, Lottie. All right.
So we have purple car versus blue car. Elijah will pull that lever right there, and then they will go.
Ready?
Set.
Let's go!
Oh! And the loser got flipped. The loser got flipped, and the purple car won. Let's try again. Let's try again, guys. All right. So Elijah's gonna switch lanes this time. We switch lanes this time, so it make it a little bit different. Elijah, ready? Set.
Yes.
Go!
And the purple one.
The purple car won again. So this is the Super Ultimate Garage by Hot Wheels. It holds up to 140 cars. Depending on how you set it up, you probably can get a little bit more in there. I got 147 cars parked in the whole garage. And we still have some left over in the box that we can't fit all in here. Hey Elijah, did you know that the fastest car in the world is a Bugatti Chiron Super Sport? It goes 305 miles per hour. Yes! What color do you think is the most common color in cars in the world? White? How about you, Lottie? What color do you think? Purple? What do you think, Mama?
I'm gonna have to go with Elijah and say white.
White? Well, y'all are correct.
Good job.
39% of all cars in the world are white. What's your favorite color in cars, Mama?
Red.
Red. I like blue. Yeah, that is blue. Good job. Give me 5. Oh, sorry.
And this is Lottie playing with his Hot Wheels, guys. Give me that sushi truck. Look, look. What is he doing? Good job, Elliot. Let's see. It's about to make it. It's about to. Oh. Never mind.
And the sushi truck never made it to the end.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.
You're watching.
That's all we got.
That's all we got.